And then we can have here look at the streams. So the way it's organized is that you have different tabs up here, and these are 100% customizable. You can create them any way you want, and you can organize in any way you want yourself. Here we see that we have like a monitor tab, which has basically set up a bunch of streams here that is monitoring different keywords, users, and so on. It's a good way of monitoring what people are saying about yourself, your company, or anything like that. The maximum amount of streams that you can have under one tab is 10. So it's important to find out how you should organize this. Here we have another example that we have one tab for the entire Twitter profile. And we have streams here. Here we have the home feed. Here's another stream that is listing all the mentions. Every time Fairytale is mentioned, it comes up here. Here we have all the messages that's coming to the inbox, direct messages. And we have also scheduled tweets, which there's no schedule as for now. We also have sent tweets that has been sent, and tweets that has been retweeted. I'll show you later how to add these streams. Also, just another example is that we have another tab for Google+. And again, you can add different streams here. There's no problem in having, say, Facebook, Google+, Twitter in the same tab and divided by streams. The only issue then is that you only have a maximum of 10 streams. So we have a test tab here. We can see how this works. So when you create a stream, you just add a stream here or up here. Then you'll see a list of different networks that you're already connected to. So like I showed you earlier, that you have to be connected to that network. So for Twitter, we see that we have 4 accounts connected. If we go to Facebook, we have 3 accounts that are already connected. So we'll start here with Twitter stream. We can do that for Fairytale. And here you have all the different standard options for streams. So as I showed you, you have the mentions, you have the direct messages, and so forth down here. We can add send tweets like this. Then you create a stream, and it will show up like this. Say that we want to add another stream. We click there again, and this time we want to do a search. So for example, we want to monitor a specific keyword or your own brand, for example, like this. Now we just create a stream, and what you'll notice here now is that you will get results here based on both litigation and futures and litigation futures. So the trick then is to go to preferences and change this, and you do a phrase match. Then you will filter out all the single keywords. In addition to this, you can also geo-target this here. And if you click that button, it will produce a code. And at the end of this code, you see it says 25 kilometers. This is, you can easily customize, and you can add any number you want. You can say instead of 25 kilometers, we have 225. You just add a 2. And then you save changes. And now we'll see mentions of litigation futures within this area that we just we'll go back and we'll take away this code, and we'll get a lot more results. Now it's all over the world. people have been tweeting this phrase. Then you have other options. You can filter the streams. For example, you do filter by. You have two options. This is in Twitter, that you can filter by keyword or cloud score. So say if you want to maybe engage with some of the tweets and you want to do that with someone who is fairly active and have a good cloud score, you can just raise it to 48. And here you see users with quite high cloud score. And you can choose to reply, retweet, or anything like that. So here, if you want to reply to that tweet, you just click here. And just write here your tweet. You can also retweet. This is an automatic retweet. Or you can send that person a direct message. Just make sure that you're following that person before you do that, otherwise it will not work. Also, if you're working in a team, like we saw earlier, you have the option as well to assign to. So if you click on assign to, you choose a team that you're in, and you can choose a team member. You can assign this tweet to that person, and that person can decide whether to retweet, answer, reply, or anything. So a good way of collaborating if you have several users. Another option is to just send it by email. So if you click send to email, it will open your web Outlook or any email client, and you can send that tweet as an email and then get some kind of response from that person, whether to reply or another thing as well in regards to this collaboration is that you have this option to share with team. So if you click this link, you can share this stream with the other members of your team, which can be convenient if you're having a very good stream that is well tuned and well set up. You can just share it, and it makes it very easy. We can also just look at we have different options here to monitor keywords, monitor users, and so on. If you want to monitor a user, you can just use the @ sign and then add the user. And also, if you want to monitor two different terms, you just use the OR in capital letters like this, and it will search for both of those keywords. Another option is to just go by keyword, and you can add multiple keywords here. Like this, and all these keywords will be monitored in that stream. You can also add a list to a stream. So say if you have a list that you're particularly interested in following, you can automatically add that list, and all the tweets from users within that list will show up in the stream. Also, another small detail is this button up here, which is the conversation feature in HootSuite. And again, if you are several users, you can use this to chat, live chat about things, and you can share things to respond to a tweet and so on. But it's only useful if you are several users.